Ever gazed upon a vibrant, exotic plant and wondered about its origins? Today, we embark on a journey into the lush, colorful world of tropical flora, where every leaf tells a story. From the towering palms to the delicate orchids, these plants are as diverse as they are enchanting. They thrive in the warm climates of the tropics, each with its own unique allure. So brace yourselves for an adventure into the unknown, the fascinating world they belong to. Stay tuned as we delve into the captivating world of exotic tropical plants. From the towering bamboo to the delicate orchid, exotic tropical plants offer an array of fascinating species. Imagine the vibrant bird of paradise, with its flamboyant plumage-like flowers, or the impressive rafflesia, known for producing the world's largest bloom. Then there's the intriguing Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant that's as deadly as it is beautiful. Each of these exotic species has unique characteristics that make them stand out in the plant kingdom. These exotic plants not only beautify our surroundings, but also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Did you know that these exotic tropical plants thrive in some of the most diverse and vibrant habitats on Earth? From the lush canopies of rainforests to the brackish waters of coastal mangroves, these plants have tailored their lifestyles to these unique environments. They not only survive but also contribute significantly to their ecosystems. From providing food and shelter to other species to playing a role in climate regulation, these plants are truly remarkable. These habitats, teeming with life, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these exotic species. In the realm of exotic tropical plants, there's always more to discover. We've journeyed through the lush, vibrant world, learning about their unique types and habitats. Their importance to our planet is undeniable. It's a world filled with wonder and curiosity, inviting us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the natural world. So let's continue this journey together. Remember, each like and subscription helps us bring more of the natural world to your screens. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.